Good news, book lovers and digital note-takers. Those new Kindle Scribes that Amazon announced back in September. Well, 2 of them are officially here and ready to ship just in time for the holidays. I'm David Carnoy from CNET, and I've just gotten my hands on the brand new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the updated monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light. I'm going to be putting these through their paces over the next few days, so make sure you subscribe to see the full review. Now, let's talk about what's new, because these aren't just minor updates. And fair warning, they aren't cheap. The standard Kindle Scribe with a front light starts at $500. If you want that beautiful new color screen, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630. That price puts it in direct competition with the remarkable Paper Pro. So, what do you get for that money? Well, quite a bit, actually. Both new Scribes feature a larger 11-inch screen, up from 10.2 inches. But they've managed to fit it into a similar size body by shrinking the bezel. The devices are also slimmer and lighter than the previous model. Inside, a new custom processor from MediaTek promises a 40% performance boost, making everything feel snappier. The display itself has seen major upgrades. There's a new mini LED front light system for more uniform lighting. The glass has a new texture to make writing with the pen feel more natural. And Amazon says they've pretty much eliminated the gap between the pen tip and the screen, so it feels like you're writing directly on paper. Now, if you followed the launch of the smaller Kindle Colorsoft last year, you might remember some users reported a faint yellowing issue on the screen. Amazon says it was a small number of units, and they fixed it. The good news is, the display in this new Scribe Colorsoft is totally redesigned, which should prevent that problem from happening. Of course, the first thing I did when I unboxed the new Scribe Colorsoft was check for any yellow tint. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and I'm happy to report I didn't see any issues. The screen looks clean and crisp. I'll be diving much deeper into the writing experience, battery life, and overall performance in my full review. But my first impressions are very positive. The larger screen in a lighter body is a definite win, and the display improvements are immediately noticeable. Is it worth the premium price tag? That's the big question. Stay tuned for my full in-depth review coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews from CNET.